Present continuous. He is, she is, it is, I am, we are, you are, they are. Past continuous. He was, she was, it was, I was, we were, you were, they were. Present perfect. He has, she has, it has, I have, we have, you have, they have. Present perfect continuous. He has been, she has been, it has been, I have been, we have been, you have been, they have been.